Hey dancers, welcome to the tutorial for Your Love, or L-O-V-E, by Eve and Wyclef John. This is the reggae mix if you're looking for it online. So, let's get started. We're going to start with a little salsa step. Start with that right foot. We go 1 and 2, left foot back, 3 and 4. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And arms are our simple salsa arms. Front and back. Front and back. Then we take the right foot across. 1 and 2, and the left knee comes up, and then we cross that. 3 and 4, and 1 and 2, and this time we have 4 steps to get ready for the left foot. 3 and 4, and left foot rocks front, right foot back, pop, pop, pop. 1 and 2. This time left foot crosses. 1, 2, 3, knee, 1, 2, 3, knee, 1, 2, 3, knee. 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, and right foot. Now there are some arms on those knees, so let's do that right foot first. We're gonna go cross, and we're gonna take the left arm out, and the right arm's gonna come in with that knee. And we switch, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that first section facing the front. Starting with that right foot. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and cross. 1 and 2, knee, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and left foot. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and cross. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 4 steps. Either go into the first section or into the chorus. That right foot is free. Now there's an option for a little turn on that salsa steps. I'll show it on the right foot and left foot facing you and the mirror. Right foot. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, back 7 and 8. Other side, left foot. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, back 7 and 8. Facing the front. It goes 1 and 2, optional turn, pa, pa, back, ta, ta, good. And the left side, 1 and 2, 3, optional turn, pa, pa, back, step, ta, ta, ta. All right, so after that first section with that salsa front, optional turn around, and the cross with the knees, we're gonna get ready for the chorus. I'm gonna show the feet first. So we start with that right foot taking up to the diagonal. We go slow, 1 and 2 and right foot, 3 and 4 and step up, 5, 6, sway, 7, 8, 1, 2, and we step 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and to go again with that chorus. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. It gets a little tricky because of a syncopated step, and we have 6 of those going back. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. I'll show it facing the front. We'll do the arms in the second. So we just did that last one. We went pa, pa, pa. Knee, 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4 to go to the chorus. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, sway 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and repeats. Now the arms. First version is simple way. We take the right arm with the right legs as we go, then the left arms, and we step out and we point to you. And then we have a little sway of the arms with the hips, and as we take it back, the arms just come behind the head and then palms come out there. We have 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Second version gets a little more tricky, so we're going to do this together. It goes L-O-V-E-Y-O-U, and then I love you. If you get nothing else, get to I love you. That's with both hands. This one gets tricky because we do a little bit with the right hand, a little bit with the left hand, both hands, and then I love you. If you get nothing from this, go here. So it's like rock concert with the thumbs out is I love you, mwah, and I do. So I'll do it nice and slow to start. Right arm with that right grapevine. We go L, O, V, E, Y, O, U. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. And then the same arms going back. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. I'll show it first to the front slow and second up the tempo. We go. L, O, V, E, Y, O, U. 4 times, I love yous with the sways, and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Up the tempo. L, O, V, E, Y, O, U, dun, 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 dun. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. To repeat L, O, V, E, or go to the next section. Good. After the verse and chorus, 2 times through, we're going to take a little 4-step starting to the right. We're going to swirl the hips around, and then we're going to take the left foot back. Back, 2, 3, right foot back, 2, 3. And then we're going to take it to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Now we're going to add some arms. The hands are just going to swirl with the wrist for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, back, and back. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, back, and back. So on that back step, we're going to have the hand across the tummy, and we're going to push back with the arm, switch, back with the arm. Let's see it facing the front. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1. If you can see your back in the mirror here, you're doing it right. Back, and back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Good, we have one more part to add on. We just did that back step and back step 4 times. And we're going to take it up to the mirror. Salsa front, We're going to take it back, tap, 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 and. The arms are going to be right here in front, pushing. And as they go back, they're going to be nice, flowy arms. Those are my under the sea arms. Ta, ta, ta. The counts are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. With arms. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. On the last section, we're going to take that around the world. So we're going to do it to each wall and front. I'll show it facing the front slow, and then up the tempo. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, up to tempo. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7 and 8 and. So after the chorus, let's put those 2 sections together, the side with the back step, and the front with the pretty arms. Facing the front. We just did it. 1, 2, 3, 4, ta, 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 ta. 1, 2, 3, 4, ta, ta, ta. 2 more times. Right, 2, 3, step back, pop, 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 ta, ta, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, ta, ta, ta. Taking it up we go, front, and front, back, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 2 more times. Ta 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 ta. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. That's all the choreography to your love. L-O-V-E. Let's dance it. Mwah.